It doesn't take long to learn that actions speak louder than words. When it comes to software systems, something similar is true. The effectiveness and speed of implementation speak far louder than the impressive but ultimately hollow promises found in a company's marketing material. It's not what people say on their websites that matters, it's the results that matter. The faster and more cost-effective, the better. I've been in this business a long time. Software, hardware, and system integration companies that provide a smooth, seamless transition to their solution with the least disruption to your operations are the winners in the long run. That's what we do. That's why Magic Software has 40 years worth of satisfied customers, and Factory is well on its way to establishing a new legacy of ROI-driven implementation to manufacturers worldwide. We've designed Factory's sprint implementation process with a laser focus on one thing. How can we help you see a return on investment as quickly as possible? While each project looks different, our sprints are typically under 90 days. They solve one problem at a time and are measured against clear KPIs, providing a return on investment to help fund the next sprint and solve the next problem. To make this possible, we work with whatever factory floor and enterprise systems you already have, so you don't have to rip and replace legacy technology. Let me give you an example. Recently, we had a client who was wowed by the marketing of another provider. Like most, they promised digital transformation, but the reality fell well short. After 18 months with this vendor, they were still at square one, unable to get their data to line up. Then, they decided to give Factory a try. After 3 weeks, we had data flowing into our data lake, and we were producing reports for them to evaluate. After 90 days, including that initial 3 weeks, we concluded our first sprint by creating all their reports and rolling out the system live to their first factory. Over the second sprint, we scaled the solution to all of their factories, rolling out a new facility every week for 17 straight weeks. Needless to say, they found out that implementation speaks louder than any advertisement could. If you're interested in digital transformation and would like results in 90 days, rather than blindly trusting your investment will pay off one day, you should call me.
If you're ready to turn your data into actionable data, you better call Tom.